What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. I'm with Nup Effects. On this episode, things didn't go quite as planned, so I had to come up with a completely different project, but something I always wanted to try out, and that is making fake stained glass with 3D printing and some resin. I used UV resin with mica powder, and I think it turned out great, so let's just jump right in. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I try and post videos about every month or so, but now this is not a full-time job for me. I do actually have a full-time job, and then I gotta take care of all the mutts and the animals in the house, and that gets kind of hectic. So there are links down in the description below that help support the channel, help me keep creating, keep me in the workshop every now and then. Also, if you got any ideas, make sure to put those down in the comments below. Just any ideas of what you want to see made, anything I can make. So I hopefully will be getting the other project that took a lot longer than expected out in a little bit, but I cannot guarantee that because there's a lot of changes going on in my life right now. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.